Hello friend, welcome back to Information Technology. In this lectures you are going to learn search engine optimizations and digital marketing, chapter 2. This is the second chapter from your textbooks. Let's see the introductions to SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimizations. SEO is a technique used for designing and developing a website be to rank high in a search engine result. It is a subset of search engine marketing. Thus, SEO is useful in increasing the number of visitors to a website. So what is SEO? SEO is a set of rules for optimizing your website so that it can achieve higher ranking in a search engine organic result. SEO is an acronym that stands for search engine optimization, which is the process of optimizing your website to get organic or unpaid traffic from the search engine result page. Search engines want to provide the best service for their users. Search engine optimizers refer to the method used to increase a website position on search engine result pages on sites such as Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Developing an SEO strategy for your business can help draw consumers traffic to your website as well as grow your sales and revenue. Whenever we prepare any website and we publish that website, but whenever we are going to search our website in the search engine like Google, Yahoo or Bing, it did not come in front of us. When we type a website name and we are searching in the search box, but other website comes with the same name, but our website did not display because we have not used the correct keyword in when we prepare the website. For examples, you are going to find your Don Bosco High School and Junior College Oros. That time also, if you observe there Don Bosco High School and Junior College Oros, this website did not come in the search engine because this website does not have a proper keyword inside. That's why whenever you're going to search the Don Bosco High School and Junior College Oros, you can see the other website, but our website in that list won't come. Whenever you are searching through any keyword, that keyword search match. If it is not matching to that search, then this particular website will not be displayed. So that search engine optimizing is very important. Why SEO is so important for website? So SEO is made up of multiple different elements, and knowing what they are and how they work is key to understanding. In a short, search engine optimizing is significant because it makes your website more visible, and that means more traffic and more opportunity to convert prospect into customers. If your website is not visible in the search engine, you will not get a more traffic, you will not get a more customer because your website did not come when you start searching. When you start searching, your website should come on the first rank. So how it will come in the first rank? That's why you are going to add some keyword, something different or better content from others, or optimize for on web page search engine optimizations, or some different search intent, or your content look awesome, or you have to build link to your web page. These are the different strategies of the search engine optimization. Through that, search engine is going to find out your website. Once it is found, it will come into the thousands of links. Otherwise, if you start searching, you will not get your website. That is the main purpose or the importance of the search engine optimizations. Now let's see what is the main purpose of search engine optimizations. The purpose of search engine optimization is to increase the quantity and quality of inbound traffic to your website. It is beneficial to both consumer as well as the business because it connects searches with the content that is most relevant to them. Let's see the type of SEO. What are the types of SEO? There are two types of optimizations. The first one is on-page SEO. It includes provisions of good content, good keyword selections, putting keyword on correct places, giving appropriate title to every page, etc. Let us see, now these days you see most of the websites are online. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, or any other website. If you are going to see, if you type their name, it comes in front of you. Why it comes in front of you from the thousands of them? Because they put good keyword selection, keywords on correct places they put, so appropriate title they have given to their pages. That's why that particularly keyword you type in the search engines, in the Google, Yahoo or Bing, that particular website come in front of you. Means whenever we are going to publish our website, we must think on this type of contents. Good contents required in our website, that should be not stolen from other website and put in your website. Good keyword selection required, putting keyword on correct place required, appropriate title you must give to your every page in your website. So that will help you to bring your website to the first rank, higher rank, so that you are going to place your website name in the descriptions, that is called a meta text description. For example, suppose you are going to give name to your website Don Bosco, then Don Bosco should come to the description first, then the name of the meta text should be Don Bosco, then the image, you are going to put the image, so image of the Don Bosco should come in this, and then finally the author of this particular website. These are the different keywords. Suppose I am going to search this type of website, I must get that website on the top rank. So top ranking, when it will come, your search engine optimization, you are going to find out your website and it will going to display through these keywords. So that is called on-page search engine optimizations. Now let's see the off-page search engine optimizations. It includes link building, increasing link popularity by submitting open directories, search engine, link exchange, etc. The off-page search engines optimizations are now these days stopped because most of the website you will find online. The offline, some of the website you are going to find, through that the link is given to the another website. Through that link you can open that online page search engine optimizations. For example, suppose you are going to find out the exam info for the 12, this website you are going to find. So this website link will get offline. Once you click that link, it will go to the particular website through the link. Means this type of websites are popularity through the links, submitting an open directory search engines or link exchange, etc. So the type of search engine optimization just now we are seeing there, on page and off page search engine optimizations. On page search engine concerned with information that is displayed to the end user, means this type of search engine on page is going to display the information to the end user, means the person who is going to find information, that person that information should get. For example, text, image, website navigation, etc. Off-page SEO is the concern with website relationship to other website refers to you, or how good is your network. It shows you the different type of relationship between the websites and the network, good network to the other websites. It brings you different website in front of you, and through that you will reach to the main website. So what is meant by digital marketing? Now digital, we already have seen the search engine optimizations. It is very important when you're going to learn the digital marketing. So what is meant by digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engine and other channel which you are going to use to reach to the consumer. So that is called as a digital marketing. Means when you are going to use internet for some, to find some information of particularly customer, particular consumer, you use mobile device to reach that consumer, or you use the social media to reach that particular consumer, to send some information to that particular consumers. So this is called digital marketing, finding some information through the search engine and other channel. You are trying to reach to the particular person, so that is called digital marketing. Now these are many digital marketing services are there. So let's see the types of digital marketing. So what are the types of digital marketing are there? The first one is content marketing. Second one is search engine marketing. Third one is display advertising. Fourth one is mobile marketing. Fifth one is social media marketing. Sixth one is email marketing, influencer marketing and affiliated marketing. These are the type of digital marketing. Let's list the different way you can use the digital medium to popularize and drive conversations for your startup or business. In this also, search engine optimization will help you. Search engine marketing, SEM, content creations, social media marketing, SMM, digital display advertising, retargeting and remarketing, and the mobile marketing. These are the list, the different way you can use the digital medium to popularize and drive conversation for your startup or business. So what is the role of digital marketing? The role of digital marketing is to help you garner new traffic, leads and sales for your business by reaching people looking for your products and services. By itself, web marketing is the process of marketing your company online to prospective leads and high value consumers. So in this, the main role of the digital marketing is to help you to get a new traffic to your website, to leads and sell for your business by reaching various people looking for your products and services. For example, Amazon, Flipkart. In this, the various products are available. People are searching daily different type of product. So how they are getting this type of information? Through the online. That is called on page SEO. Let's say I'll show you one examples how the your website will come to the first rank. Open the Google Chrome and suppose you want to buy a car, then you are going to type here buy a car and you are pressing the enter key. Once you type in the search engine, you are pressing the enter key and you will get the list of websites, the thousands of websites link you will get. In this, many websites will come in the first rank, which the search engine is going to find car word. So car is the keyword. The car is a keyword. Through that, the search engine optimizes all these keyword and he brought all the website in front of you. See, so many websites are there. Car sale online, selling car. This is not a one type of website. Different type of websites are there because this having this car is a keyword. The search engine optimized the car word and he brought all type of information in front of you. Different type of websites are there. Online sales car, selling car, car sale online, buy car insurance, purchase auto high quality, car deco. These are the different websites. But if you put buy a new car, so new car is another word to search the website. Now see, buy a new car, you will get all the website which is going to show the new car. Now here, buy a new car, these websites come in that only new car thing, websites came in front of you. Now see the website, new website comes, buy a new car, buy car insurance. Okay, so this is the difference between the finding information. Suppose I am going to find another example I am going to show, that is I am going to find the shoes. Okay, shoes. Now press enter, can see shoes. Once you type your shoes word, this is the keyword, and through that you are going to search, so you will get a shoes, but different type of shoes you got. Particularly shoes did not come, but here various site also comes which having this type of product. They are selling this type of product, shoes. They shows all this type of website. Now but I want to find only the red shoes. Now red shoes is the another keyword which is going to optimize by the search engine. So press enter key and check red shoes. Let's see what, see, you will find all the red shoes here. So this is the red shoes. Now Flipkart, Amazon, Amazon in this site you will get this type of products. Means when they prepare their website, they put this red shoes, that tag, that description, that image, that keyword they put in their website. That's why their website come on top level. That's called a higher ranking. This is called as a higher ranking, and this is the main work of the search engine. The main purpose of the search engine optimization is to increase the quantity and quality of inbound traffic to your website, and it is beneficial to both the consumer and business because it connects searches with the content that is most relevant to them. So I hope you understood what is SEO and digital marketing. Thank you.